was a way white people could own Michael Jackson, they would, hey?
I know.
They would.
Well, I suppose.
Bamzamile.
What the chick?
No.
What's it plastic? But it knows. Michael Jackson was just black. I feel like I'm a giraffe for 5 jardin.
Oh, bad.
Who buys a giraffe? That's how I'm money. So they dumb. Kuze mina maka banemali angangithenga imoto mina yabafolisa abantu kanje ngisayimola ngibabele ngikokheni sikhombe ngidlalele mina banemali Kosi manje sibeka nemali abhorela yini ngaye like what can I tell ngibana voice encane ngenzani like Michael Jackson no played same group
Mama.
Same WhatsApp group. Michael Jackson played Monday. Same.
Haters will say it's Photoshop. Same group. Nyansela wana
momo. Iningi mali. Khomotso. The way unemali ningakhona. Pheka unwele zakho. Next week the purple. Next week the orange. Probably ngithola khona mina.
Mari Busey.
Yes. Awazo njani? Unokuvuka kusana uthi, "Wow." It's dying, it's dying. Yabaza bathi kasaba nemali. Oh, mina maka banemali ngaba ne ATM kwami endlini. IQ yenza ntathakusa. Ama insufficient funds. That's cool. And angiphuma elokushini vuka elokushini bazi ukuthi inemali leyabhara that's cool man besicela ukudraw man ngilele boy that's cool sekugcina my 5th time nje sibambile vuka ngenani ngihamba nabo bani alright bashiyeni inambe ngemali
Experience Judith Sephuma live at the Cape Town International Jazz Festival. Book today. Visit clubtravel.co.za.
Kaya FM traffic.
Assis, what?
Judith Sephuma sister le Pomolo ga Michael Jackson. Pomolo ga Michael Jackson mo Pomolo ga Michael Pomolo Impumulo ga Michael Jackson mo ga bega phezulu impumulo ga Judith Sephuma ngathi phimpu Judith fly away man Judith injaya Judith Prime yamazi makacula live amaphepha abantu babhale ingoma bazibeke phansi Judith bazibeka phansi basifake nedlu Phephu Judith ayenazo Francis ka Judith Sephuma empty Funa abantu abafaka imajezi nani kungoma it's windy conditions windy Yazibona ka Michael Jackson ngicela kanjani mayibeka phezulu ka Judith so Amas Judith Nale first time ngihaka ngile sestereza ngencindi waye Isiyalo ngiyavika ngithi sis Judith
Oh no
Amtshela ngathi ngizomthola
She's absolutely fantastic.
You know Rami's listening, right?
Yeah, wrong.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine. No problem. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Come